A bit of drifting, yes. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how the kit for the Tamiya TT-02 is going to improve its steering angle, making it a proper RC rally car. I'm here with my friends. Everyone is getting ready for the upcoming RC rally season. Each one is testing his improvements made during the winter break. And this is the perfect occasion in order to show you how this Tamiya TT-02 performs on a proper RC rally track. If you are seeing this kit for the first time, I will leave here in the description of the video the complete review and tutorial about how to assemble. Also in the description of this video you are going to find the links in order to buy this kit. It is not made by me. I'm doing my best in order to show it around, but it's designed by my friend Michał. He is an engineer with a huge passion for RC rally. Okay guys, before starting with this test drive, just a reminder to please leave a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. This is a simple Tamiya TT-02, just out of the box with the conversion kit. So don't expect amazing performances, but the idea is to show you how it performs just out of the box. I think that in these sharp turns you can already see how much this Tamiya TT-02 is able to steer. I will do few rounds here on this track. A bit of drifting, yes. And guys, I'm really having a lot of fun with this stock Tamiya TT-02. Okay guys, now I'm going to test this Tamiya TT-02 on this stage. The best time here is 36 seconds. So let's see what I will be able to get with a stock Tamiya TT-02 against modified RC rally cars.
3, 2, 1, start.
Okay, 38 seconds, 2.5 seconds away from the best lap. And this with a stock TT-02 with just this conversion kit. This is a modified TT-02. It's made by Max and it's two-wheel drives on the rear.
3, 2, 1, start.
Even if it's rear-wheel drive, this Tamiya TT-02 Max is showing amazing driving skills with amazing driving control. This is the project of Max. He made, as I said, the rear-wheel drive, different position of the battery, no transmission shaft, and here we have a low-profile servo. Okay, maybe the car is on. It works in this way. So as you can see, everything can be modified on the Tamiya TT-02, providing a lot of fun. I think that I show you almost everything about this Tamiya TT-02. Maybe during the RC release season, together with my friends, we are going to modify it in a better way. I'm not referring to the kit, but all the RC model, engine, ESC, then what else, different shock towers and so on, and maybe we're going to take it on a proper RC rally event. By the way, as I showed you, basic Tamiya TT-02 with this kit, and you can already have a lot of fun. Now I'm going to ask to someone if he wants to drive it, so we can have a feedback from someone else. Ktoś chce spróbować Tamiję? Okay. So now we're going to have the feedback from Max. Max, what do you think?
Yes, the controller. I think on my controller I'll be able to better drive on it.
Yeah, of course.
Tires, of course, same.
Yes, this is just a kit out of the box, stock.
Yes. I have a question.
Yes.
This is the original differentials.
Yes, this should be the basic Tamiya TT-02 with original diffs and nothing else.
Okay. No, it's very good. I think modified differentials, and
It can drive in a better way.
Tak, yes. Like X-ray now.
Yeah, of course, Max is a very good RC rally driver with 2 years of experience. Now he's going to start his third season as a RC rally driver, and he's suggesting some modifications like the differs and so on. Yeah, so as I said before, maybe all of you are curious to see how this kit can perform when it's mounted on a Tamiya TT-02 with all the most important parts, so engine, good tires, and so on. Okay guys, thank you for staying with me, and see you next week for a new video. Ciao!